Hi, this video is covering Project Details page. From the menu, click on Projects. This is going to list all of your projects that you would have set up. To add a new, go over to the menu, click on Add Project. A customer can have as many project locations. Fill out all the details as you want to regarding this project that you may have. Only the fields labeled required are the ones that are required to be filled out. Once all this information is filled out, you'll go ahead and click Save. That's the first way to set up a project. Another way is if the customer were to call in, or if you just had the customer's name. In this case, it's Deb. We did narrow down the filter here by Deb. We'll go into that customer's profile. This is where all the activity can be found regarding that customer. If we scroll down on this page, this is going to show you all the associated records. You can see here we do have that one project location that was set up for this 300 West Lakeview. If the customer did have another house or location or business tied to them, that would require an additional project. All the details for that house, location, or job are always set up to a project. So another way to set that up is go over to the menu from here, clicking on Add Project Location. You select the address. So maybe for our secondary project, it's going to be tied to the secondary address here. We'll go ahead and use the information. And you'll see here it'll pre-populate some of that information already for you on that customer's information. So you'll just need a new project name, status, and any of the required fields. Once done, you'll go ahead and click on Save. Going back into that client record, we'll go ahead and open up that project just by clicking on the name. This is going to show you all details regarding that project location. So up at the top here was the information we already had filled out. From the menu, you can edit any of that project information if anything needs to be changed. If you scroll down on this page, depending on your edit layout, this will appear different. So edit the layout is also in the menu. Edit layout. You can drag and drop how your boxes are going to appear on the page, or toggle off by show or hide areas that you do not wish to show. Once done, you can go ahead and save that layout. So first area on this page, yours may be a little bit different as mentioned. We have checklist. To add a new, you'll click on Attach Checklist. These checklists are clickable with any items that you would have set up in that checklist. Work order area, go to the menu to be able to add a work order in, or from here set up a project or service work order. These are the filters down that you can filter down to see which work orders that were done for project and service. Any project discussions that you would have done across all your employees, you can easily start a discussion by clicking on Add Discussion. This allows you to put a discussion, a post, and any employees that you wish to tag. So this can be as many employees that you want to add to that group chat within the project. Purchase orders. If you go into the menu, this will allow you to filter down any of these POs. Proposals, you'll see anything attached for this client. You can filter down by those statuses. Any invoices or progress invoices from proposals that had a payment schedule will be listed here. In the menu, we can add an invoice directly from here or use the filters. A map view of the project location. Any repair tracking tickets. You can set up a new repair directly from the project. A few areas of notes that we have in here. If you go to the menu, we have form notes, general, secured, or time clock notes. Any of your tasks related to the project can be set up directly through here. Time tracking. If you have a proposal and you decide to push over the proposal products and relate to a project, this is where your overall budget will be displayed based on the hours along with phases for that overall project. Any of your documents tied to this project can be set up here. Any project expenses that are additional from POs or anything that you want to add as a manual entry can be done so from here, along with any adjustments towards the project. Going back up into the menu, all these options as well into each area, majority of them can be found in this menu for you to be able to easily get access to. If you have set up project templates, you can click on project template to be able to apply your settings that were set up from those templates. You can create and rebuild a project health report for that project if you've pushed over your proposal into the project, and if you have any related expenses, those would be shown under the health report. Project calendar, you can see from here. The add expense and add adjustment can also be added from here, or depending on your layout on the page where we found ours was at the very bottom. Either or will accomplish the same goal. You can see any of your installed products if you're utilizing inventory. You can see any of your one-off products, project products that were pushed from proposals. This will also allow you to see your default pick list from the proposal or your rolled up products from a change order. Any customized forms that you would have set up tied to the project, such as maybe your network information, any type of custom form that was built and attached that you set up, you could find it under custom forms. Any of your overall trades associated to the project, you can associate through trades. And to elaborate again, the edit layout can be used to customize how your project details page is shown. Thank you for watching Project Details.